Hello guys, it's been a long time. I've not uploaded a video. And since the year is on the verge of end, so I thought of let's try to bring something special. A exercise, a resolution for everyone who is listening to this video from tomorrow. And it's going to be a tough, a challenging resolution, and it is something which everyone wants in his or her life to just experience that kind of feeling. And that is to become a more calmer version of yourself. Yeah, to be super cool, super calm, and to just not be that hot headed kind of personality. Instead, just be a bit cold blooded kind of personality. The biggest advantage which I see in becoming that cold blooded or calm kind of personality is it gives you ample amount of time in life. It helps you evaluate things in the best possible way. It helps you to look the things in a very different manner, in a different perspective. It actually completely changes your mindset. And whenever you look at things, look at arguments, look at fight with a calmer version of yourself, you'll understand that you see the things in a holistic way. When you try to be calm, you are not an individual who wants to just get into that you are right, you are wrong, but you look something bigger than that. And what is that thing? It is you try to understand the facts and the circumstances of both the individuals, and then wherever the circumstances are powerful, you try to give that thing to that person. And I feel this is how the way the things should be decided. No one is right, no one is wrong, everyone have their own circumstances, and depending on that circumstances, the outcome should come out like, yes, since your circumstances are critical, we give it to you. That is the right way. And it can happen only when you are calm. When you are calm, you respect things more. Because when you are hot headed, you might end up just throwing things. You just don't value whatever you have. But when you are calm, it gives you that extra opportunity to value the things, to value the relationships, to value the people around you, to understand the perspective of every kind of individual. Actually, the being calm helps you or gives you that ability to listen. Hot-headed will never have that opportunity to listen to the person. Being calm gives you that luxury, that leverage to listen, to understand. It's very important to just bring that calmness into life. It's been said that calmness is a superpower. It is actually, because when the life will hit you with hard times, when the adversity will hit you, it is only the calmest person who is able to come out of this. For example, 2020, a pandemic, the world was hit by it. Everyone was struggling. But there would be someone at some place, being a more calmer person than any other individual, would have found an opportunity in the adversity. Because this is how you grow. If you face the adversity, definitely there is a chance to grow. In adversity, there are only two options. Either you succumb to it, or either you come harder out of it. The more calmer you are, the more vigilant you are, the more opportunity you see in whatever is going on. Even in such rigorous time, a person with calmer mindset would have found something, would have built something, would have developed something. And that is why being calm gives you that extra edge in every phase of your life. There are ample amount of advantages of being calm, but it is something which is very hard to practice. It's so easy to just respond to situation in a hot-headed way, rather than to hold yourself back and just take a moment, keep mum, analyze things, be calm, and then pass your things. It's very difficult, but this is what it is, and that is why I am here to give you one of the toughest challenge, one of the toughest resolution for you to practice out in 2021, and that is try to be a calmer version of yourself. The amount of calmness you had in 2020, challenge that thing and try to be a bit more calm in 2021. And this is how the life should go. This challenges you, this pushes you, this urges you to become more better, and just be in that for longer period of time. The ones who are accepting it, do mention in the comments. Let's take this challenge together and let's just try and see the best of where we can reach. Time to bid goodbye to year 2020. It was a tough year, but definitely with tough year comes tough opportunities, and definitely some tough individuals would have grabbed it in the best possible way. 2020 was somewhere just, if it was not your, give yourself that time. Again, have that belief and ensure that whatever you were not able to achieve in 2020, you will achieve in 2021. Welcome 2021 with more positivity, with smile on your face, and with just positivity, energy, fearless. Take more risk, live the life on the front foot, and just keep enjoying. This is the most important thing. Keep hustling as well as keep enjoying. Never give up, fight hard, hang in till the end, and show some character. This is what everyone wants to see. Goodbye. Thank you guys. I hope you liked the video and wish you all a happy new year.